Hello students. So next subtopic we are going to learn today, that is equation of a line. Okay. So equation of a line through a given point and parallel to a given vector. So first thing is equation of a line which is passing through a given point and it is parallel to a vector. So it is shown like this. These are the axes. Okay. Then there is a position vector OP and another vector A, and there is a line passing through OP. So this line is passing through point A. Okay, this is your line, and there is a perpendicular parallel vector B to this line. Okay, then the equation, that is vector equation, is given by R is equal to A plus lambda B, where lambda is a scalar. Okay, now your A vector is, say, xi plus yj plus zk, and your B vector is some ai plus bj plus ck. Okay, then ABC becomes the direction ratios of the line. Okay, as B is parallel to this, right? Now this is your vector form. Then there is another form which is Cartesian form. So Cartesian form is given by x minus x1 upon A, y minus y1 upon B, and z minus z1 upon C. Okay, and remember that x1, y1, z1 is for vector A and A, B, C is for vector B. B vector is parallel to this line. Okay. So if you have L, M, N as the direction cosines of the line, then the equation you can write this ABC becomes L, M, N. Okay. Let's solve one example. Find the vector and the Cartesian equation of the line through the point. Point is given. So phi, 2, minus 4, which is parallel to the vector. Now this is given that this vector is parallel. So you can directly write B vector as 3i plus 2j minus 8k. Now this point is given, means this becomes your A vector, right? So A vector can be written as 5i plus 2j minus 4k. So vector equation will be A plus lambda B, okay, R equal to, so A vector 5i plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda 3i plus 2j minus 8k. Okay, so this is your vector equation. Now find out Cartesian equation. So first you write down, this is your x1, y1, z1. This is your A, B and C. So substitute x minus x1 upon A, y minus y1 upon B and z minus z1 upon C. Okay, so x minus x1 is 5 upon A, 3, y minus 2 upon 2 and z minus of minus 4, so plus 4 upon minus 8. Okay, so this is your Cartesian form. Next is equation of a line passing through two points. Okay, so that was earlier, it was equation of a line passing through a point and there was a parallel vector, right? Here it is equation of a line passing through 2 points. So here it is a figure. So if you have a position vector, say OP, okay, and 2 points are there, A and B. So this vector is A, this vector is B, okay. This point is your x1, y1, z1, and this is your x2, y2, z2, and this is xyz, okay. Then your vector equation is r is equal to a plus lambda b minus a, okay. This is your vector equation. And another is Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation is given by x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1, okay. So this becomes your Cartesian equation. So you have to remember which is your A point, that is x1, y1, z1, and which is your B point, x2, y2, z2. So accordingly you have to find the equations. Let's solve one question. Find a vector equation for the line passing through the points. So points are given. So you can take A point as -1, 0, 2, and B point 3, 4, 6. So you can label here x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Okay. So this is your A vector. A vector you can write directly also. So vector equation is r equal to A plus lambda b minus a. Okay. So A is -1 minus I plus 0j plus 2k plus lambda b minus a. So 3 minus of -1, so 4i, 4 minus 0, so 4j, 6 minus 2, 4k. Okay. So this is your vector equation. Then go for Cartesian equation. X minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Okay. So x minus x1, so plus 1 upon x2, 3 plus 1, 3 minus of -1, so it is 2. X minus plus 1 upon x2, 3 plus 1, 4. Then y minus 0 upon y2, 4 minus 0, 4. And z minus z1, 2 upon z2, 6 minus 2, so 4. Okay. Next question is the Cartesian equation of the line is given. You have to find the vector equation of the line. So Cartesian equation is given, that is x plus 3 upon 2, y minus 5 upon 4, z plus 6 upon 2. Okay. So this is your Cartesian equation and you have to find the vector equation. So what you need, so this is r equal to A plus lambda b, right? So A vector you will get from these points 3, -5 and 6. So you have to compare this with the Cartesian equation, that is x minus x1 upon A, y minus y1 upon B and z minus z1 upon C. Okay, so x minus x1, here plus sign is given, so you can write here, I will write it again. So x minus of minus 3 upon 2 equal to, this is already in that form, and z also you have to write minus of minus 6 upon 2. Okay, so these points minus 3, minus 5, minus 3, 5 and minus 6 becomes your A vector, and 2, 4 and 2 becomes your B vector. Okay, so your vector equation I'll write here. Minus 3i plus 5j minus 6k plus lambda 2i plus 4j plus 2k. Okay,